Hello, welcome to Sarees. This is Sri Lakshmi. Our website is sarees.in. In today's video, we're going to take a look at some Mulmul cotton sarees. These are lightweight sarees that are easy to drape, easy to carry all through the day. These sarees get softer with every wash, making it really lovable. These sarees also have a long history behind them. Mulmul cotton is a weave that was made by Bengali weavers many centuries ago. These were also popular, that is not the sarees of course, but the fabric was popular even in England and Europe. Over there it is referred to as muslin cotton, which I'm sure many of you have heard of. So let's take a look at today's exciting collection. The first one is this dark maroon and black Mulmul cotton saree. It has lovely batik prints on both borders. The black borders make the maroon look very attractive. There is this batik print in the body of the saree as well. And these borders run throughout the saree. Here's the pallu. It has lovely batik patterns all over. So you can see over here. Here's another view of the pallu. This saree comes with a plain black blouse in the same fabric. The next is this blue and red Mulmul cotton saree with lovely red borders on both sides. The body of the saree has this light royal blue color and it has these Ikkat prints all over the saree. This is the pallu for this saree. It has intricate and lovely patterns all over. Let me also remind you that Mulmul cotton sarees are not meant to be starched, so please just wash the saree, iron them and wear them for ultimate comfort. Here's another view of the pallu. And this is the lime blouse for this saree. The next is this beautiful black, yellow and red Patola print saree. The saree has these lovely Patola prints all over. So you see that there are bird prints, elephant prints, making it look really irresistible. And this saree comes with this red and white Ikkat pallu. So it's a lovely combination, Ikkat pallu and Patola print body. And this is the blouse that comes with absolutely irresistible, intricate patterns. The next is this very soothing green and white Mulmul cotton saree. It's my personal favorite. Sometimes the simplest things are the best in life. So this is one prime example of that. This saree is so comforting to look at. It's a very summerish kind of saree. Of course, it lends itself to all occasions because of the sheer nature of the fabric. So take a look at the patterns. Take a closer look. These patterns run all through the saree and on the pallu as well. This is the running pallu that this saree comes with. See how beautiful it is. Let me also show you the fall of this fabric in case you do not know about Mulmul cotton. So take a look. It has a nice fall. It's very lightweight, so this is single fabric. So it's quite nice. It has a nice fall, so it's easy to drape. And this saree comes with this plain white blouse in Mulmul cotton. The next is the stunning beige Mulmul cotton saree. It has really lovable prints all over the saree. So check out the body of the saree. The entire saree has this kind of prints and it has these lovely floral borders as well. And this is the awesome pallu that the saree comes with. It has intricate prints all over with zigzag lines and many other patterns. And you will also see that I'm showing only some sarees from this collection in this video. So do head over to our website and check out the rest of the sarees in this amazing collection. Here's another view of the pallu. And this is the blouse that this saree comes with. The next is this half and half Mulmul cotton saree. So it has this pattern on the body and from the center pleats onto the rest of the saree, it comes in this olive green color. So this would be on the center pleats and right up to the inner portion. So the saree has these leaf prints, big leaf prints all over with batik lines as well. So it's in a lovely shade of green. It's a very light, pale shade of green, a little lighter than olive green. And this is the pallu that this saree comes with. Here's another view of the pallu. And this is the blouse that this saree comes with. We have many more of such half and half sarees in the same collection, so do check out the entire collection on our website. The next is this pale yellow Mulmul cotton saree with Egyptian figures on one border. You can see that it looks pretty nice and creative. So we have green and black alternating Egyptian figures. These figures run throughout the saree like this. It has these green and black borders on both sides. So the middle portion of the saree goes plain like this. It's very soft, of course, like many other Mulmul cotton sarees. This saree comes with this beautiful kalamkari pallu. See how nice it is. It has these floral motifs and the usual kalamkari patterns as well. It looks really attractive. Here's another view of the pallu. And this is the blouse for this saree. Now we'll move on to some khadi cotton sarees. These are also Bengal special sarees. The fabric is quite nice. You can see that it hardly even needs ironing. It's pretty nice. I mean, if you just drip dry, you wouldn't need ironing. It's quite nice, easy to drape and easy to wear. It has a nice fall to it. And of course the patterns are really beautiful. So check out these floral patterns in alternating colors in fuchsia pink and a brownish mustard kind of color. And this is jamdani weaving, so you can see how fine this weaving is. So you have these patterns on both borders, and the body of the saree goes plain like this. It's a very easy to maintain and easy to drape saree. Check out this stunning pallu. It has such lovely floral patterns and alternating colored lines, and of course it comes with tassels as well. Here's another view of the pallu, and this saree comes with this plain running blouse in black. This is another khadi cotton saree, very similar to the previous one. Same pattern, different color. It's in magenta and it has the same alternating floral patterns on borders and this beautiful pallu. This is a black, orange and pink Assam khadi cotton saree. It's again very popular in Bengal right now. It's called Assam khadi cotton because it has Assamese patterns on the borders and the pallu, which I'll show you right now. So the body of the saree has these lovely orange and pink buttas, thread work buttas, making it look very attractive. And it has these awesome ethnic patterned borders on both sides. So it has this splash of colors that you would associate with Assamese weaving. So that's how this saree looks so lovable. Take a look at the borders. So you have same sized borders on both sides with pink piping border as well. It has a satin finish to it. So it's really soft, nice to look at. Take a look at the pallu. The pallu has these awesome threadwork patterns. It's a bright shade of fuchsia pink. Take a look at these intricate patterns. Here's another view of the pallu. This saree is also available in two more color combinations. So this one is black, orange and pink. So we have a black and red combination as well, and we have a navy blue, red and white combination available on our website, of course. So please do head over to our website and take a look at the rest of the Assam khadi cotton sarees. The links are provided in the description box below. This saree comes with this running blouse with the same borders that we saw on the body of the saree, and the middle portion is plain black. The last saree for today is this grey and black khadi cotton saree. It's really soft. It has a nice fall to it. I'll just show you the fall of the fabric. See how nice it is. That's a single fabric. So it has these lovely temple borders on both sides with a plain strip of black on both sides as well. So it has these cute buttas in white, that's threadwork buttas all over the saree. The saree has a grey background, and this is the beautiful pallu that this saree comes with. It has these big tilagam kind of motifs all over the pallu. So take a look at these lovely patterns. Here's another view of the pallu. We have a similar saree available on our website. It is green with orange and yellow. So do take a look at that. It has what is called Ganga Jamuna borders, that is different color borders. So do check it out on our website. This saree comes with this running blouse. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at today's collection of Mulmul cotton sarees and Khadi cotton sarees. Let me remind you that these sarees do not need to be starched, especially the Khadi cotton sarees just cannot be starched. These are easy to maintain sarees, and Mulmul cotton sarees, as I said earlier, get softer with every wash. So feel free to grab them for home wear or for office wear. They lend themselves equally to both. If you like our video, please like and share with your near and dear ones. Do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you for watching.